this video, we're going to cover the print ink management section for the Midnight Print Calculator. To get there, we're going to go to Admin, Print, and then down to the Print Ink Management section. In this section, we can add individual inks for offset printing and then group those inks into ink groups. So on this screen, we're able to add, edit, or delete inks as we would use them in our business. To add new inks, we could add them using the fields at the bottom of the screen here. So we could fill in name, description, cost per pound, and then the coverage for coded and uncoded stock. And this is in square inches per pound. The other option we could choose is whether or not this ink would generally get a plate. So instance where you would say no plate is, say, on an aqueous coating where you would always flood coat. Now, once you have your ink set up the way you want, then we can go into ink groups, and we could add a new ink group by using the same fields at the bottom of the screen, name and description in this case, and clicking the save icon. For the sake of today's demonstration, I'm just going to go into our CMYK plus Spot UV ink group, and we can see we've selected our black, cyan, magenta, and yellow inks, and then our Spot UV coating. We can see that that coating has the selection for no plate. Now, if we wanted to add additional inks to this group, we could go ahead and select them using the drop down at the bottom of the grid and using the save icon. One more feature that is worth noting here is the update all ink group button. So if we made us update to say pricing for one of our inks, we could click on the update all ink groups, and that would make that same price adjustment in all of the ink groups that contain that ink.